welcome to the vlog 6 Rats. Well, this vlog is going to be a bit interesting. You know, in my previous vlog, I told you that we are preparing for our center exams and final profs. So this was us. I couldn't record that much during that time because honestly I was struggling. So were my friends. I honestly can't believe that we are done with our first year. I mean, just look at us. This was us during our final exam. We were literally dancing because next day was our last exam. I remember my neat preparatory face, like how depressed I used to be, so serious. I mean, just look at my face. This was me 3 months prior to the exam. But you know what I've discovered in this whole process? कि glow up बहुत अच्छा है. Whatever, that was really a disturbing phase of my life. I've learned a lot during that phase. So yeah, in this vlog, I'm going to show you how I spent my vacations, how I decorated my room, and how I attended the medical fest. Vacation start होते ही मेरी driving classes भी start हो जाती है. So as soon as my exams were over, I went back to my home in Shimla. My sister and my father also joined me. I did a lot of stuff there, like doing skincare, making ramen with gochujang sauce, and also went to Chandigarh for one day to meet my cousins. एक दिन skincare करने के बाद I ended up eating the most delicious pizza I've ever had. That's me playing with the teddy and annoying my father. You know, it was just 4 days in Shimla and me and my sister were already bored. We were figuring out what to do. Peekaboo, that's my foot. You know what's my favorite thing to do? It's teasing my sister. I don't know what were we up to. I mean, you know, whenever me and my sister are recording, we always end up doing this shit. So yep, next day we went back to our village. I was talking to my friend regarding the result, कि result कब आना है, and my sister was recording this stupid get ready with me. बेचारी को पता भी नहीं है कि मैंने उसे वीडियो में डाल दिया. She's going to curse me for this. Honestly, my sister made my first year so easy. I mean, I already had handwritten notes and books that she gave me. So for second year, I also took them. ये कर ही रही थी कि result आ गया. मैं पास हो गई. मैं पास हो गई. And here we are back to our room for second year. Shorty, you're gonna change this whole thing. Back to our room. Let's unpack. Okay, not only apples, your girls got kiwi too. Fresh from the farms. एक हफ्ता हुआ भी नहीं था कॉलेज में कि हमारे unplanned hangouts start हो गए. Okay, बोलने की बातें. These were not unplanned. I mean, look at our outfits. Peak girlhood, guys. We went to the nearby mall in Solan. वहाँ पर trampoline park भी था और arcade भी था. And also we went to watch a movie called Kantara. It was really good. I mean, I had goosebumps watching it. My friends honestly get annoyed with me because I record each and every stuff. Because I need it for the videos. I mean, you've got this amateur influencer or so-called YouTuber in the group, so you have to deal with this. But whatever. I love them. I love them all. So the most exciting part is yet to come. And boom, this was the day. I've always dreamt of attending a medical college fest. Basically, we're a friend group of 8 people, but only 3 could make it to the fest. So for your kind information, this is my sister's college. Okay guys, so हम ready हो चुके हैं अब. सिर्फ मैं ready हुई हूँ, बाकी ये दोनों नहीं हुए हैं. सुंदर तो लग रही थी मैं. Me and my sister were ready, but you know, these divas are always late. Especially the red one. And this is my twin.
फेस लोशन है वैसे.
ये vlog में जाएगा तब.
नहीं हुए.
तेल है वो.
ट्यूब सी है, ट्यूब.
ओए, ये फीड वो है. तो ये पहुंच चुके हैं हम फेस्ट में. Damn, my makeup skills are getting better day by day. So this was the Bollywood night we paid 600 for. I mean, it was worth it. We really danced to our fullest. Three of us were like totally crazy. I mean, our feet were hurting badly next day. So first day all we did was dance And second day, we also saw some performances prepared by the students of the colleges and other medical students from the state. Iris was indeed indelible. तो बस 2 दिन फुल ऑन मज़े करके और मंडी को बाय बाय करके हम चल पड़े अपने हॉस्टल. So yeah, welcome to the room transformation vlog. So for your very kind information, I've just finished bathing and I've just came out of my bathroom. So I need to do my skincare first, and after that I have to show you the stuff that I've got. Honestly, I haven't spent that much on the stuff because why would I? I would just, okay, the wall is not that pretty.
So I would just make it look okay, like fine, ठीक है, सुंदर लगेगी, but
I won't invest like thousands on it right now because I want to do it gradually. It should not be like I'm gonna invest a lot of money like this year only. I'm not, because I want changes in my room. Few things because fuck, I broke something. So let's start. By the way, my pink pillow. I'm obsessed with pink. By the way, my friend gifted me pink. Before starting this, I should do a bit skincare because why not? I realized I've this haircut. Sometimes it looks pretty, but many a time it looks like Salman Khan from Tere Naam. I'll tell you few things about my second year, how it's going. So yeah, we are having three subjects: pharma, pathology, and microbiology. Out of which, till now, I am loving pathology because it's somewhat similar to physiology, I guess. Yeah. I don't know why I'm getting this vibe that this subject gonna be easier as compared to other ones because it's more like functioning and there's not that much things to cram. The toughest gonna be pharma because we have a lot of drugs to revise. Yeah, that's it. And second year is not as fun as first year because in first year we used to have our foundation course. We are having our orientations these days. And the last step of skincare, the lip mask. By the way, this is also gifted. My cousin gifted it. She got it from Dubai. I've got this spoon-like thing. I don't know. We usually do it for honey. I don't know what do we call this. Sorry, I'm not that good in grammar and my vocabulary is not that good, so bear with me please. Whatever, this fingers will do. So yeah, that's it. I'm done with the skincare. I don't think sunscreen is important right now because I'm not going outside. So yep, I'll just told you that I only use this thing for everything, part of my body, but it's not true. Now I'm improving a lot. Bonvita. I've got the photo frames. I've got photo frames with me. This green leaves have also got these fairy lights, I guess. These are small lights. Oh, where are the cells? Whatever. And my favorite part. I got these posters. These are BTS albums. Okay. Let me clear this thing. My channel's name is June's License. So you guys might not know this, but I am a hard stan and I was one of those crazy fangirls who was like obsessed with BTS. If I'll show you one of the walls of my previous room back in 2019, it was just like all decorated. Me and my twin, we both are armies and we love K-pop, and we started loving K-pop and listening to K-pop through them because they paved the way for K-pop. So yep, I started K-pop because of them only. At first, the first song that I listened was Fake Love, and I was like so impressed with them. I was like, oh my god, look at the lyrics, look at the work, look at the choreography. Honestly, I love dancing and music is something that really heals me, and I love music. So yep, this was my favorite album, Love Yourself, and this song was also my favorite, and the best song was Euphoria. The other wall, the wall that is above this table, I'm going to put the Pinteresty vibes posters. Look at this. These are just cute quotes that I'm going to put. And then finally I got time to decorate my wall. For the canvas that I've got, I had to ask for a carpenter because he has to fix the nail for it, and the rest of the work I did it by myself. Finally! Damn. And this was the final look of my room. देखो ये इतना भी अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है and मैंने इतने ज़्यादा efforts भी नहीं डाले, but it's kind of cute to me. I mean, something is better than nothing, right? So that's it for today, Reds. Thanks for watching my vlog. Like, share and subscribe.